Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In our video editing today, I would like to show you how to increase speed of characters or slow movement of characters in the video. But before we do that, let's take a look at this video, this animated video on the workstation. You can see the movement of the cars on the road. You can see their speed. So what we want to do is to apply speed to the movement of these cars and see how fast they can go or how slow these cars can move on the road. So what you're going to do next is to click on speed. When you click on speed, you have two things to work with here. You have already seen the movement of the cars on the road, so we want to apply these two tools that we have here. Now the first one is standard, while the second one is curve. So let's start with standard. Now I have a ball here that is placed on 1. If I move it to 2, it will increase the movement of the car. If I place it to 10, the speed will go more higher. If I place it to 100, it will speed to be on a swift level. So but if I drag it from 1 down to say 0.2 and play it, you will now see how slow the cars can move. You see how slow the cars are moving. Now let's move it, increase the speed up to 80 and play it. You can see the speed now that's increased. Let's move it to 1.0 and play it. Now you can see the movement. If I move it again from 1 to 2, let's place it on 2. Okay, say 2 and play it. Now you can see the movement of the cars now. If I drag it from 2 to or any point here and apply this to it, you see it has increased the speed of the cars on the road. If I place it on 10 or say 10 or 10, okay, and play this, see how swift the cars are moving. So that is how to increase the speed of characters in the video. You're given a work to do. You can increase the movement of the characters in any part of the video. If you increase it further to 100, you see the way the cars are moving now. So that is how to increase movement. If you want to slow it down, you can drag it down to 0.20 and play it. You see the movement of the cars now because we've dragged it back to 0.0, or we place it on 0.20. So that is how to slow movement of a car. So we have another option to either increase movement of our car or slow movement of our car. So let's look at curve. We have curve here. Now if you play this, let's play this now, because this is below 1.0 and it's at 0.20. so the movement of the car, just like we have in standard, but here we have different ways to adjust this now. So we can adjust this now. If I drag this up, once your ball is below 1.0, the movement will be very slow, but once it crosses to 1 point and above, it will increase the movement of the object or the characters. So let's play from here now, so you can see the movement. See, once it's above 1.0, the speed will increase, just like you can see now. So we have add here. We can increase add to this. When you increase add to it, it simply means you want to make adjustment to the line. You can increase it. You can drag this up, increase this. You can adjust the ball, drag this down a little bit. Once the balls are above 1, it will increase the speed of the characters or objects in the video. You can see that now. So we have presets here. We have different shapes that we can apply to the movement of the characters. If I click on this M shape and I play this from here, you can see the movement. But once it crosses that 1.0 and go below it, you slow down. But once it crosses the 1.0, you can make adjustment to this, make adjustment and play it from here. Let's play it from here. You can see the movement. Once above 1, it will go up, the speed will increase, but once it's below, the speed will reduce. So that is how to apply speed and how to reduce or slow movement of characters in the video. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.